Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to do solid geometry. So we will go through all the questions and we will do its construction. So this is the solid geometry. Only one question comes in exam and it's a compulsory question. So we are going to go through all these questions. So starting with the first one. Here is the question number 1. We have to draw the plan and elevation of a square prism standing vertical on its base with its equal length and breadth of 4 cm and 6 cm. So we are going to do the construction. So our final construction will look something like this. So this will be the front elevation, this will be the side elevation and plan from above. So means this is the front angle, this is the side angle. If we see the square, prism from side, it will look like this. If we look the square prism from front, it will look in this way, and from top it will be a square. So this we have to construct. So we will start with the construction now. I hope all the previous videos are helpful for you. Do let me know in the comment box. So I am starting with the first one. Let's see the first step. I am making a line here. It can be of any measurement. I am using a lead pencil. Now on this just take a point, any point. Now the measurements are given 4 cm. So we will take 4 cm here, mark a dot. Now we have to make a perpendicular bisector. Draw it very lightly. Increase the gap in the rounder. I am doing same here. Mark the points. Take the scale. And make a long line here, and once you have added the line, check with the protector also that it's 90 degree. Yes, it's perfect. Now the height is given 6 cm, so we have to take 6 cm in our rounder and mark an arc like this. Mark these points and connect it. So our first part is done. We will give the naming at last, but don't forget that. Now I am going to extend these lines down like this. Now we have to take a 2 cm gap like this. Always take 2 cm. Now we have to construct the top view, that will be a square. So its sides are going to be 4 cm. So here we have got 4 cm. Add a line. Here also I am marking all sides 4. Make it little bit dark. See these two lines, make them little dark. like this. Now same we have to do here, side elevation. This is the front elevation. Now take the rounder, place it here, take the square and make an arc like this. Same over here. So we have got 2 points here, mark that. Now again, just like we did here, perpendicular, like that same we have to make once again. Place your rounder. If you have a H pencil, you can use that in your rounder. If you have it available, prefer using that so that you will get these lines little bit light. Just for exam purpose, use that pencil. Mark the dots, add a line and check that it's 90 degrees afterwards. Okay, perfect. Now take 6 centimeter again in your rounder. Use rounder for measurements whenever possible instead of using scale directly. For few parts you can use it directly, but here prefer using a rounder. So like this, it's done. Now let's give the names, giving the square A, B, C and D, and this is plan from above. Then this is 4 centimeter, even these sides are 4 centimeter, so you can just write that. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N, and this is 6 centimeter, so write that also. So this is front elevation. This is side elevation. So like this, it's done, and this is a square prism. Okay, so I hope you have got it. Similarly, we have to do the rest. So we are going to go through all. Let's move on to the next. Now second, we are going to do a cone. Next question. Draw the plan and elevation of a cone standing vertical on its base with diameter of its base is 4 and the height is 3. So in cone you will not get the sides, you will get the height. So let's see. Same steps we have to follow. First, make the baseline. I will just draw it roughly here. A cone. Its height is 3 centimeter and base is 4. This is 4, this is 3. So let's construct. Make a line Now take a point. Now here its base is going to be oval. Here it's oval, so we have to make a circle. Okay, it will be a circular, not an oval shape, it will be a circle. Now first let's make a triangle. Its front elevation will be a triangle. Let's make a perpendicular bisector. Because height is given, so we need this. Now height is 3 centimeter, so I am taking 3 centimeter in rounder and mark it from here in this way, and its base is given 4, so you can take 2 centimeter as a center and just mark dot on 4 and 0. Make it little bit dark. And make a triangle like this. So the front elevation is done. Now we have to extend these lines down. You can take a protractor also to check that it's perfect 90 degree, like this. Now we have to take 2 centimeter gap, mark that with the scale. Yes, just check that it's 4 centimeter perfect because baseline is 4. Now we have to construct a circle here. So we have to prepare a square first, 4 centimeter side, just like we did for the last one. 4 centimeter, it's perfect. Now as we have to construct a circle, we need a center point. So how we can get that? You can simply extend this line or mark 2 centimeter here lightly with your pencil, like this, and just check that this line is going through that, like this. And here also take 4, mark on 2, here also mark on 2, exact center of 4 centimeter, and connect it. So we have got a center point. Now you can take this as a radius and make a circle. So like this is the base part. Which is circular, and if we watch the cone from top, it will look like this only. And now we have to construct same here, side elevation. Let's follow same step. Take a rounder, place it here. Now take the square. You have to take the center line also, all the 3 points. Why we have taken the center for this? Here there are 3 points, so here also we need 3. Now mark these. Now let's make a perpendicular, marking 2 arcs here. Mark the point. Now take 3 centimeter in your rounder, its height. Connect it. So here it's done. Let's give the names. A, B, C, D, like this. O. And now this is a front elevation. Side elevation. And this is a plan from above. Okay, so in this way the cone is done. Yes, measurements we have to write 4 centimeter. Don't forget that. This is 3. Write it small but don't skip. Yes. Like this, it's done. Let's move on to the next question. Now after this we are going to construct a pyramid. So pyramid, let's make a rough drawing of it. So here the base and the height is same for pyramid. So this is going to be 5 and this also 5 centimeter. Let's see. In the book the construction of that is not given, but the final is given. So we have to follow same step that we did here. In the similar way we have to do. Now I am doing the pyramid. Make a line. Let's quickly complete these. Now it is just like a cone. Mark a point, bisect it, and just quickly doing it. Extend the line more. Now the height is 5 centimeter. So take a rounder, take 5 in that. Mark an arc. Now the base is also 5, so you can place your scale on 2.5 on this dot. Mark one dot here, another dot here. make a line and now complete the triangle. Okay, so we have got the front elevation. Now let's take a protractor. Let's mark 90 degrees. Add a line. Now pyramid base will be squared 5 centimeters all sides. No need to add a circle inside it. 2 centimeter gap. It's common. Connect it. Simply make a square directly like this, 5 centimeter side. Now from top angle, if we look pyramid, it will look like this. This will be the pointed end, this one. So like this it will look. So same we have to do here. Connect the corners. And even the center line. So instead of doing it directly, mark 2.5 on all the lines. That will be perfect. And now connect it. You can do it from here as well. Now take a rounder. Now see these 3 points we have to take. Place your rounder here. So all the 3 points we have to take. Like this. Same we have to make here. Mark these points. We have to make a perpendicular here. Don't do it directly. Follow all the steps. Mark this point. Now on this we have to take 5 centimeter again. Now here we want 2.5. Here we have already got it because this is 5 centimeter only. So we have got these. Simply connect it. Like this it's done. Let's write the names and measurements. This is important. Side elevation. And this is plan from above. Let's write the measurements. 5 centimeter. give the names. Like this. So in this way the pyramid is done. Now similarly here there are cube and cylinder. So cube is very easy because all the sides are square only. So I will just show you the construction of a cube in a rough because it's very easy. We have already done that. So I will just show it over here. Roughly, so that you will understand. First you will make a line. Okay, now cube is given. Let me just add a cube here. Now its size are 5 centimeter. Height will be also 5. All sides are equal. Now you have to mark a point. Take 5 centimeter. Then make a perpendicular bisector. 5 centimeter. First we will add a line like this. Then take 5 centimeter in your rounder, mark an arc, connect it. So you will get all sides 5 centimeter. Then extend these lines down just like we do with the protractor. In the same way, extend these lines. Keep a 2 centimeter gap. Mark 5 all sides. Now take a rounder, place it here, make an arc like this. Same perpendicular, add a line, take a rounder 5 centimeter in that, mark an arc and connect like this. You will get the cube. Don't forget to write elevation, front, this is side, this is plan from above, and write the names. Five centimeter, all sides, write it. And here we have got the cube. I have done the construction freehand, but you have to follow all the steps. Okay, let's see the next one. Next one is the cylinder. I will show its construction because it's little bit different. I will show cylinder and sphere after this. So let's see cylinder first. So its height is 6 centimeter. Let's draw a rough. You can also make a rough in your exam like this. This is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Let's make the line. Now, just like we did the elevation of a square prism, this is a square prism. Just the base and the top are circle. That is the only change. Other things are same. Let's mark points. it is going to be 4 centimeter. So you can just mark 0 and 4 and 2, no need to mark on 2, just 0 and 4 like this. Make a perpendicular. Place it here. Connect it. Now we want height 6 centimeter. So take it in the rounder. Mark it. Yes, here also we have got 4 centimeter, that means it's correct. Means the gap between these two lines is perfect. Just cross check it every time. Now take a protractor, make a 90-degree angle down here. Add a line. 2 centimeter gap. Here also check, it's 4, that means it's correct. Now here also we have to construct a square, and in that square we will fit the circle. So its size will be 4 only. So just draw the line 4, make it little dark. Now we want its center, so you can simply connect it like this. Draw it very lightly because we don't want them, so just draw it lightly just for the center. Here also just take on any one side so that we can take that as a radius. You have to see that your circle is touching all the sides or no. So like this we have got the plan from above. Let's construct same here. Take a rounder, place it here. You have to take just the square. Mark the points. Let's make a perpendicular. Let's connect it. Now take 6 centimeter in your rounder. Connect it. Now let's give the names. Now this is front elevation. Side elevation. And this is plan from above. Write the sides also. 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. For square you can just write on any two sides like this. So here cylinder is done. Now we will see the last one, that is a sphere. Okay. Now let's make the baseline. Now its sphere's center line is given 5 centimeter. That means its radius will be 2.5. So let's do it. So here first let's mark a dot here. You can take a 5 centimeter in that. Mark one dot on 2.5 also. Now here I am taking a protractor directly. Mark on 90. Make the lines going down also. Now take 2.5 in your rounder and from here add an arc. Like this. Mark it. Now take your rounder, take this as a radius. And make a circle. Check the angles. Here it's a point difference, so just correct that. Now take a 2 centimeter gap. Connect it. Now as the sphere is circular, its front angle, side angle, top angle, all are going to be same circle only. Extend the lines little bit more. Take 5 centimeters. Construct a square. In that we can fit a circle. Mark the center here also. like this. Now place your rounder here. Take these points, all the three, just check the measurements. Yes, it's perfect. 2.5 and 5. Mark it. Now use a protractor. Mark on 90 degrees. Connect it. Now 2.5, it will be the radius. Mark it with the rounder or the scale. Like this. Check that it's touching all the lines, or else adjust it little bit. This is the elevation, front, this is side, and this is above. Write the measurement. Here you can write 5 centimeter. Give the names. Don't forget to give names for the center points of all. So like this, it's done, and the sphere is done. So we have seen all the construction. First we did square prism, then we did the cone, then pyramid, then I have showed the square cube in the rough that you can try. Then we have done cylinder and then sphere. So all the constructions are done. Total 6 are there. From that any one can come. Measurements can differ. So just practice this at least one time before you go for your exam, so that you can easily do it. Okay, and we have done all the questions from plain practical geometry. So I hope you have done that. If you have not watched that video, I will put the links in the description box. There are total 3 parts in the geometry. So all the constructions are done. Just watch that video and complete the solid geometry also, and then after that the lettering will come. So you can use your creativity and complete that. For that you can use any color mediums of your choice. So just practice that as well. So I hope the video is really helpful for you. Do let me know in the comment box, and do let me know your result as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone, and all the very best for your exams. See you in the next video. Bye.